Morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is Wednesday, 9th November 2020. Our topic is ratio and proportion. Exercise number 6B, page number 93. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Yesterday we have done question number 1, part 1, 2, and 3. Today we will do its fourth and fifth part. I will also explain part number 3 by second method. Let's start. Fill in the blanks part 3. Point 1 over point 6. Second ratio is 2 over unknown, and second missing ratio is 2 over missing ratio over 24. You can see that in part number 3 we have two missing ratios. It is better for you to suppose these missing ratios by the alphabets x and y. How? Solution is, let 0.1 over 0.6 is equal to 2 over x. You can see that we have placed x in the in the place of first missing ratio, which is equals to y over 24, and we have placed y in the place of second missing ratio. Now as we have discussed yesterday, that first we will consider these two ratios, because ratio is a comparison of two quantities. So 0.1 over 0.6 is equal to 2 over x. We will use cross multiplication. So to find the value of x, what will we do? We will uh, shift these to the other sides we will use cross multiplication. X will comes here, and 0.6 comes in the denominator, and 0.1 comes in the denominator, and 0.6 comes with the 2, and it will be multiplied. So uh, our our step will become x is equal to 0.6 multiplied by 2 over 0.1. Now, when we multiply 0.6 by 2, answer will be 1.2 over zero point 0.1. Now, as I have told you yesterday, that in second method you can also multiply and divide by the number by the 10. So, it will become 120 over 10. By cutting it with the 10 table, 10 ones are 10, 10 12s are 120. So, the value of x is 12. Next, our second will the our first value means the value of x is 2. Now we will consider these two ratios, 2 over 12 and y over 24. Now as we will repeat the same procedure by using cross multiplication. 2 multiplied by 24 and divided by 12. 2 2 2 into 12 over 24, it will become 48 over 12. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48, so y is equals to 4. So our second ratio is 4. Now our answer will become 0.1 over 0.6, which is equals to 2 over 12, which is equals to 4 over 24. Now let's move on to the fourth part. 3 over 5 is equals to 1.2 over unknown ratio is equals to unknown ratio over 5 over 4. Now same we will name the unknown ratio as x and y. Our equation will become 3 over 5 equals to 1.2 over x, which is equals to y over 5 over 4. Now simply we will consider the first two ratios. 3 over 5 equals to 1.2 over x. Now you will use cross multiplication. 5 will multiply by 1.2 and 3 will be divided. It will become uh, 3 will be divided and 5 will be multiplied by 1.2. I have all you can also remove the point. It will become 12 over 10 and 5 over 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Listen me carefully, girls. Here I have removed the point. It was 1.2, so I have written is 12 over 10 to remove its point. and then I have written 5 over 3, as 5 will be multiplied by 1.2 and 3 will be divided, so I have written 5 over 3. Now you can simply cut it. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. It will become 4 over 2, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So our first ratio, the value of x is 2. Now we will consider the second and third ratio. 1.2 over 2 is equals to y over 5 over 4. We will use cross multiplication as 1.2 multiplied by 5 over 4, but when we and 2 multiply by and divided by 2. How? Here we have 1.2 over 2, and y will shift here 5 over 4, because here it is dividing by y. Now when we will change shift the y here, it will become 5 over 4. Now you can write 1.2 as 12 over 10, 2 as it is, multiply by 5 over 4. Now 12 over 10 and 12 over 12 over 20, 10 twos are 20, multiply by 5 over 4. Here 10 is dividing by 12. When we shift when it will goes in the denominator, it will multiply by 2. 12 over 20 multiplied by 5 over 4. Now 12 fives are 60 and 20 multiplied by 4 80. Cutting by 10 table, it will become 4 over 3. Then cutting by 2 table, it will become 6 over 8, and then cutting by 2 table, it will become 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 3 by 4. So our y, the value of y is 3 by 4. Now our uh, question will the ratios will become 3 by 5 equals to 1 by 2 over 2 is equal to 3 by 4 over 5 over 4. Now our last part is unknown ratio over 5 equals to 1 over 4, which is equals to 0.45 over unknown ratio. Now you will let these unknown ratio by x over 5. Our equation will become x over 5 equals to 1 over 4, which is equals to 0.5 over 5. You can see that I have named the unknown ratio by x and y. Now first of all, we will consider x over 5 and 1 over 4 by using the procedure of cross multiplication. X is equals to 5 will 5 is dividing by x, then 5 will be multiplied in the second side of the equal sign. As I have told you earlier that opposites of division is multiplication. When a number is dividing in the before equation sign, it will multiply in the other side. So 1 over 4 multiplied by 5, it will become 5 over 4. It means the value of x is 5 over 4. Now 5 over 4 over 5 is equals to 1 over 4 equals to 0.5 over 5. Now we will consider 1 over 4 and 0.5 over y. Okay, then we will multiply 0.5 here. Our equation will become y is equals to 4 will 4 will be multiplied by 0.5 and divided by 1 using cross multiplication. So our answer will become 2.0 over 10, because answer was 2.0. 4 fives are 20. We will use write 0 and 2 will goes there. For 0.5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 2.0. Now we will remove the point and place a 10 in the denominator. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20 by using the table of 10. So y is equals to 2. Now our ratios will become 5 over 4 over 5 equals to 1 over 4, which is equals to 0.5 over 2. These are question number 1, part 1 to 5. You will do them on your notebook. Also, practice these questions and you can ask if you have any problem.